Hey guys, happy Vlogmas. It's 8 p.m. I'm hanging out with the cat and uploading my YouTube video to YouTube. And I just got an IM from my new supervisor who says, "Happy Monday. Who's your zebra muscle guru?" Which is pretty bold of him to just assume I have a zebra muscle guru, but it turns out I do. He's got a PhD in zebra muscles, or whatever you would call it. So, yeah. Oh, big design change on one of his projects. That's why he's still working. Anyway, I'm going to go back to IMing my new supervisor about zebra muscles and ask him why he is still working at 8 p.m. But I bet it's why I'm still at my computer. Just nothing else to really do. Watching The Good Place, uploading YouTube videos, responding to emails.
Here. So if you guys can continue sort of grouping things as you go, as you spot things.
Distinct categories there of Jacob's developed solutions as well. So do we need to even break it down further?
Okay, so this is what Mural looks like. This is a company that we work with and have access to, and we can set up virtual workshops with this. So here was our icebreaker. She went over the culture of caring moment was all about how if you smile, it makes you happier. And so we all put in gifts and things that make us smile. And then we had, you know, the actual workshop, what we're doing. We had a bunch of like sticky note whiteboard things. This is a kind of you ideate on what everything could be. And this is actually a really good example of like diverging, thinking really big, and then kind of grouping your ideas together, which is the convergent thinking. And so we did that, we grouped them, and then we kind of moved into the, you know, is it in scope, is it not in scope, stuff like that. And then this is the process is all about governance for this, you know, for this workshop. So it's kind of cool. And then we were in Microsoft Teams, so we were also able to see each other and talk. And the cat was super annoying. I was on mute, but she knows it's dinner time. So that's what a workshop that I did just now.